Installing a zipper can seem intimidating, but I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be. The zipper foot makes this job easy. This is a narrow zipper foot, whereas this one is the wide zipper foot. There are many different styles, but regardless of the style, you're going to be able to get very close to the zipper teeth. Look how close that is. The first thing we want to do is finish our edges. You can use a serger, an overcast foot, or even a zigzag foot. Do yourself a favor. Make sure that your bobbin is full. You'll thank me later. You can choose to sew right next to the zipper teeth, or you can have some of the zipper tape showing. Now that you've finished your edges, you can fold and press according to the pattern. Grab your zipper and cut a piece of basting tape the length of the zipper. Stick it on the edge of the zipper tape and finger press to secure it. Once you're sure it's sticking, peel off the top layer. Place the finished edge of the fabric on the basting tape. Remember, you can choose to expose some of the zipper tape. Once again, finger press to secure. I just love basting tape. It's so quick and easy. Time to sew. Place your zipper foot to the right of the zipper teeth. Check your needle position. It needs to be on the side closest to the zipper teeth. Adjust your needle position depending on which side of the zipper you're working on. Make sure that your needle will hit the fabric and you can begin sewing. When you get close to the zipper pull, you're going to need to open the zipper. So you need to lower your needle, lift up your foot, open the zipper, and then straighten your zipper. Lower your foot once again, and then you can continue to sew to the end of the zipper. Easy peasy. The only thing left to do at this point is repeat for the other side. If you can't change your needle position, that's totally fine. Check out the adjustable zipper foot. See, it's not scary at all. You can do it. Happy sewing, everybody!